Alex with windowcleaner.com. If you want to make your squeegee rubber look like this, maximize your profit, get the most from your squeegee rubber, you want to use the Sorbo Docket. Inside this tube is the Sorbo Docket. This is how it's going to ship directly from windowcleaner.com. I've removed all the staples and tape from here to make it nice and easy, but show you what you get with a brand new Sorbo Docket. First thing you want to pull out, you'll notice, is the directions. Very important. We'll save those for later. Ships to you protected in the container, and then the docket itself has got packing paper, so it's going to arrive in one piece, ready to go. Like a kid on Christmas opening a new toy. Okay, right out of the box, there really is not much you need to do with your brand new Sorbo Docket. Included, one freshly cut piece of Sorbo 3x4 rubber, and you can see we've run one cut through it, right from Sorbo. So the Sorbo Docket is going to allow you to cut your Sorbo 3x4 squeegee rubber up to 12 times. This is the docket. This is the whole body of it right here. It's fairly lightweight. It's made of aluminum. Also included with the Sorbo Docket is this plastic guide, the Sorbo Teflon coated 1.5-inch stainless steel razor blades, and this wax you're going to put on the blade each time for a fresh cut. This is extremely important. This is the top guide that's going to put out just the right amount of rubber for you to remove to give you a fresh, clean cut. If you want to see the Sorbo Docket in action, click right here.